cars have, you know, tire pressure sensors and stuff, and it's on a wheel. So however they make the tire pressure signals send it to your dash, however that connection is made, and that's all you have to do to put, you know, some LED lights on your lug nuts for your turn signals. The technology's there. Maybe I can invent that. Make some money. Buy me a Turbra kit. Get me a Turbski. This is a pallet resource, a North Carolina truck coming. Yep, I was right. It's not like it was a long shot or nothing. Alright, they are a few miles down the road from us. It's probably the easiest route to get to the highway for them. Unless they just go straight down 150 and to get 64 and then the highway. Depends on where they're going. If they're headed, you know, south, it'd be easier to do 150. If they're headed north, the way he just took is probably the best way. School's out for the summer. But it's not. Actually, school's just back in. Excuse me. Jesus, people are already in line to pick up their kids from school. My Lord, school don't let out till 2:30. It's 1:30. What in the hell? These damn people, man. I mean, you're going to wait like an hour so you can pick your kid up 5 minutes faster? That's ridiculous. I mean, because I used to, you know, pick my kids up from school there, and, you know, I could get there at 2:30 and pick them up at like 2:40, so it might be 10 minutes slower for your kid to wait around. Must be nice to not have anything to do with your life except sit in line and, you know, for an hour or more, pick your kid up from school. Whatever, I guess. Some people are. Maybe they're retired, have their job. Don't miss! Oh, she ended up missing anyway. Oh, I feel like a dick now. Oh, man.